Going back almost 10 years, I worked for a company called Data Monitor, where we published magazines and online news. And we had a need for clients who were very much asking us to do roundtable events. But there was a fear that we just couldn't do them because we had a lack of expertise. And a colleague of mine recommended Obis 360, someone he'd worked with previously. Said, look, these guys will probably manage it all for you. Why don't you give them a go? So very nervously, we did thought, okay, let's give it a go. We embarked upon 2 breakfast briefings, and they briefed Obis to go out and source venues. Not only did they do that, they actually came back and managed the whole process, liaised with the client, liaised with the venue, and we managed to turn around 2 very successful events. So what started as a kind of bespoke thing 9 years ago has turned into a full-on partnership with Obis. We like the personal touch. One thing you get with some businesses is it's a 9-to-5 job. With Obis, it's never that. So most of our events now are in the evening. So if there's ever a problem, we're very confident James or whoever manages the event will be there to pick the phone up and actually sort through the problems out. I think you find it's very much a one-to-one service, and it's very professional, and job gets done very well. They've taken away the whole stress and pressure of the organisation of the event. They streamline the process, so once we've got a date in mind, Obis will take over the full management of actually finding the event, finding the venues, and they'll liaise with the venue to make sure that we do manage to run a successful event on the night. I'd say they're a perfect company if you want to run events globally. What started as 9 years ago, 2 events in London, has now expanded out to between 30 and 35 events globally. The majority of our events are in London, but we have run events across Europe and also in the US very successfully. And James, Obis have always been successful in finding us cutting edge, first class venues very quickly.